Hello students, welcome back to Practice Maths. Today we are going to find the solutions of intermediate first year Maths B, chapter 3, that is the straight line. Exercise 3A, we are going to find the solutions of this exercise today. So start with the first bit. Here, this is the 3A exercise. So in this first question, find the slope of the line x plus y is equal to 0 and x minus y is equal to 0. So solution here, the slope of x plus y is equal to 0, so is minus a by b. So a means a here and b means here, this one, this factor 1. So here 1, so is equal to minus 1 by 1 is a minus 1 is the answer here. This is the slope of x plus y is equal to 0, and next one x minus y is equal to 0, he asking us to find. So minus a by b same here also. So here minus 1 is there, because minus 1 by minus 1, this minus 1 will get cancelled, minus minus will get cancelled, remain will 1 here. So from this exercise, x minus y is equal to 0, no, so in this we can write it as x plus of minus y is equal to 0. So here 1 will be there, that 1 b, and before this one factor here 1, so that one will be here, and the formula which one minus a by b is there, na, in that minus will come and minus minus will get cancelled, 1 will remain. So this is the first question solution here. Now move to the second question here. So second question is given, find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line containing the points 2 comma minus 3 and 0 comma minus 3. So here first we discuss formula. So find the equation. So equation of containing the 2 points. This containing 2 points formula is y minus y1 into x1 minus x2 is equal to x1 minus x1 into y1 minus y2. So this is the equation of a line. So where x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 is at 2 points, and then the formula will this y minus y1 into x1 minus x2 is equal to x minus x1 into y1 minus y2. So this is the formula where the points containing x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. So this is the equation of the line. So he asking us to find the equation of a line containing these points. So means we have to use this formula here to find the line, equation of a line. Here solution. So y minus y1 is into x1 minus x2 is equal to x minus x1 into y1 minus y2. So we have to put the values here, x1 y1 values. So x1 y1, x2 y2 here, y minus of y1 means how much here, minus 3, this bracket close, and into x1, what is the x1, 2, minus x2 means how much, 0 here, it will become, so x means how much, so nothing is there, x only, so minus x1, so minus 2 here, y1 is how much here, minus 3, minus y2 means how much, this one, minus 3, minus of minus 3. So in this minus to minus plus, okay, y plus 3 into this is 2 here. Now it will x minus 2 into this become how much it will become, minus into minus plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 here, it will become 0 here, okay. So in this y plus 3 into 2 is equal to 0 it will come. So 2 will goes here, it will y plus 3 is equal to 0 by 2. So it will become y plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of these 2 points containing a line, okay. So next move to the third one. So here we can write a formula like this, y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 is equal to, so how can we write it as y minus y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. We can write it as y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 also here. So please concentration on this. We can write like a formula like anything. So this we can write y1 minus y by x1 minus x1, because I'm taking common minus from these two terms and cancelling that one. That way it will become like this also will come. So don't confuse taking while taking the formulas. Okay. Here third question is, find the equation of the line containing the points. Same question here repeated. So what is the formula? Y minus y1 into What is formula? X minus x1 minus x2 is equal to how much? X minus x1, very good, into y1 minus y2. So this is x1 comma y1, this is x2 comma y2. So we have to submit the values in this one, so we'll get the answer here. So here y minus y1 is equal to how much? 2 into x1 means how much? 1 minus x2 means 2 only, here is equal to x means how much? Nothing given, we have to formula. So x1 means 1, y1 means how much? 2, minus of minus 2, because y2 is a minus 2 here. So here it will become y minus 2 into minus 1, it will become, and x minus 1 will remain like that only. So it will become minus into minus plus, plus 2 to the 4 here. So answer will come like this. Oh sorry, we took here x2 is equal to 1 here, sorry I took done, and it will become 0, and y minus 2 into 0 is equal to 0 only. Here x minus 1 into 4. So here it will become 4 will come this side, and 0 by 4 is equal to x minus 1, and x minus 1 is equal to 0 is the answer. This is the equation of containing these 2 points of a line. Now fourth question is, find the angle which the straight line y is equal to root 3 into x minus 4 makes the angle makes the with axis y axis. It angles makes with the y axis. So he given like y is equal to under root of 3 into x minus 4. So here y is equal to mx plus c, containing a line, okay, straight line, this is straight line, containing a slope, okay, angle with this slope here, and this is equation of a line, equation of a line, okay. So in this m is equal to root 3 here, so we can write it as slope m is equal to root 3 here. Root 3 m means we can write it as tan uh, tan root 3 value is how much? Tan 3, tan 30, it will become root 3, tan 30 become root 3. So angle made with here x axis is tan 30 means 30 degrees, 30 degrees is pi by 6 here. So angle made with y axis we have to find here, okay. So it will become 180 means pi by 2 minus pi by 6. So it will become how much? The LCM is 6 only. Here it will become 3 pi minus pi is equal to 2 pi by 6. 3 1 2 1 ja 2 3 ja means pi by 3. Pi by 3 is the angle. So we have to find that one only. Pi by 3 is the answer here. Here fifth one question is, write the equation of the reflection of a line x is equal to 1 in the y axis. Reflection of a x is equal to 1, he is saying that. So here axes are like this, okay. In this somewhere PQ is a line here. So here x is equal to 1 something. So this reflection here, so reflection of PQ reflection is P dash, here Q dash or Q dash. So come like this, okay, or it will become here see one, there is reflection in the y axis is x is equal to minus 1. So where x is equal to minus 1. So solution here, so equation of PQ, this PQ is x is equal to 1, he given in the question, okay. So next he is saying that reflection in the y axis, he is asking us, okay, in the y axis. So it will become x is equal to minus 1. So means x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the equation he asking, write the equation, no. So this is the reflection of equation. So equation of reflection, this one, x plus 1 is equal to 0 here. Here sixth question, find the conditions for the points a comma 0, h comma k and o comma b. So where a b not equal to 0 to be a collinear. So he asking us to find the condition here. Here solution. So we have to find this what is one condition we have to find here. The points are given here a a comma 0, b h comma k, and c o comma b here. So these are collinear. He is saying that collinear. So in this, we have to if these 3 points are collinear, we have to satisfy a condition. What is this condition? Slope of AB is equal to slope of and AC here. So slope of AC. These two condition will satisfy with this equal to. So it will become collinears. Okay. So in from that we can drag a like a condition here. We can form a condition with this help of this condition. So start with this condition. We use the formula of this slope formula in this A and B and A and C. Here slope of AB. So what is the slope of slope formula is equal to here means, so y1 minus y2 divided by x1 minus x2. So this is a slope formula where given points, if given points. So okay, so slope of AB we find here. So this A and B, slope of AB. So what is y1 minus y2? Y1 means how much here? This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So doing with this AB, I am doing slope of AB here. Okay. So y1 minus y2 means y1 is how much here? 0. Okay. Here minus y2. Y2 means how much? K, divided by x1 minus x2. X1 is how much? A minus x2 means h is equal to. So this is x1 x2 y2. So with this slope of AC from these two. Okay. In this one AC, y1 is how much here? Y1. So 0. 0 minus y2 means how much? B minus b divided by how much will come here, like what we can say, x1 minus x2. X1 is how much? A minus x2 means how much? 0 here. So it will become minus k by a minus h is equal to minus b by a. So it will like come like this. Okay. Here we can cancel minus minus here. Okay. So it will become a go this side and ak is equal to b into a minus h here. So ak is equal to ba minus bh here. From this here ak plus bh is equal to ab. We can write like this. So ab will take this side. So I am doing here. So ak plus bh divided by AB is equal to 1 here. So we separate this to AK by AB plus BH by AB is equal to 1. So here A will get cancelled and B will get cancelled. It will remain H by A plus K by B is equal to 1. So this is a condition. So he asking us to find. So this is the answer here. So next we go to the 7th question here. Now 7th question is, write the equations of the straight lines parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 3 units above the x-axis and at a distance of 4 units below the x-axis. He asking us. So first we need to find first one here. So he saying that distance of 3 units above the x-axis. So here we draw a axis. This is a 0 origin. This is a x-axis. Okay. So in this he is saying that the distance of 3 units above the x-axis means 3 units here. 3 units above the axis here like this. So it is y is equal to 3, no? On this y, this is a 3 units means here y axis, no, it is. So on this y is equal to 3. So this is the equation of the line. Equation of a line required here. Line required here. AB. So we think that this is a B. So it is AB is equal to y is equal to 3 here. So this is the answer of this first one. And next one also same here. So he is saying that at a distance of y units below the x-axis, he is asking us to find the below the axis. So sorry here. So axis like this. So here 0 origin. So 4 units. Okay, these 4 units down the y axis, down the x axis ki parallel to the x axis and down to the y, down to the 0 x axis. Okay, we think that. So it is we think that this is a dash. it will goes like this. It is b dash, means y is equal to -4 is the required equation here. Required, sorry, my reading is not good. Required equation is y is equal to -4. This is a solution. We can write it as y plus 4 is equal to 0 also. Now, eighth question is, write the equations of the straight lines parallel to the y-axis. Same like question, they are given x-axis. Now, he asking us to y-axis. First, at a distance of 2 units above the y-axis. Above the y-axis, 5 units below the here y-axis only. The question is given y-axis only. Okay, wrong, I will given. So, write the equations of straight line parallel to the y-axis at the distance of 2 units above the x-axis. Above the y-axis means first one solution here. So this is a sorry, this is a think that this is a axis where 0 and this is x-axis and this is a y-axis here, this is x-axis, and in this AB, okay, so AB, B here, sorry, this is A here. So question is typed wrong here. It is above, not above, right of, RIGHT, right of the y-axis, okay, and the not is the below, left side of the y-axis, left of it is given now. So here right of it, so right of it means here, okay, so it will become 2 units, okay, means the required equation how much will come, equation required here, what is the equation required here, line AB is equal to how much it will give, x is equal to 2. So this is first one solution. And now second one, so at a distance of 5 units, okay, at a distance of 5 units from the y axis to the left of it, I am keeping my book aside, the Telugu Academy textbook with me, left side, I am doing, that's why this type of modifications, sorry for this inconvenience. And second question is at a distance of 5 units from the y axis to the left of it, okay, so means how it will come, it will come like this. This is a y axis, think that this is a y axis, so left of it means from here, okay, so this is A dash, this is B dash, we think that like that. So 5 units away, 5 units left of it, okay, means x is equal to -5. So on the x axis only, na, it will place, so it is placed in on x axis only, here it is a plus side, okay, this is a minus side, that's why x is equal to -5. So it will become x is equal to -5, we can write it as x plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the equation, required equation we have to clear here. So now 8th will completed, now first bit completed, now move to